Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new group on the Splitwise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the groups button and tap on start a group. Here you can add a picture by tapping on the camera icon. You have two opportunities. You can either take a picture with your phone or select one from your gallery. Then type in a group name and also the address. Here you can add members to it by tapping on the add members button. So you should add the new contact to Splitwise, adding a name and then a phone number. Tap on the add button and then you can also share this link. And here you can choose from a bunch of options such as settle up, balances, totals. So it will be a group spending summary. You can also choose these charts option, which is only available to premium users, and the whiteboard to remember important information. So that's how you can create a group, and you will find it in the groups section down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.